In this section we focus on the Pearson and Spearman correlation coefficients. We have the following data of two variables x and y, and we want to calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient by this formula. Here n is the number of observations, n equals 3. So what we are supposed to do, first find the mean value of x. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. So the mean value is 2 in this case. For y variable, we need to add the values 2 plus 3 plus 5 and then divide by 3. That's 10 over 3. The y is 10 over 3. Okay, now we need to find what is x1 minus the average value. x1 is 1. 1 minus 2. That's minus 1 here. x2 minus x bar. 2 minus 2. That's equal to 0. x3 minus x bar. 3 take away 2. Just give me 1. x1 minus x bar is equal to minus 1. x2 minus x bar is equal to 0. x3 minus x bar is equal to 1. And then I have to calculate y1 minus y bar, y2 minus y bar, y3 minus y bar. Y1 is 2 minus 10 over 3. So it's 6 over 3 minus 10 over 3. That's minus 4 over 3. y1 minus y bar is minus 4 over 3. 3 minus 10 over 3. 9 over 3 minus 10 over 3 is minus 1 over 3. y2 minus y bar is minus 1 over 3. 5 minus 10 over 3 equals 15 over 3 minus 10 over 3. That's a 5 over 3. y3 minus y bar equals 5 over 3. Okay, I have this here, these values here. Now I need to find the sum, the following sum from I equals 1 to 3. I have to find the numerator here, yeah? xi minus x bar, yi minus y bar is x1 minus x bar, y1 minus y bar, plus x2 minus x bar, y2 minus y bar, plus x3 minus x bar, y3 minus y bar. So it is minus 1 minus 4 over 3. The second term vanishes because it's plus 0 times minus 1 over 3 plus 1 times 5 over 3. So it's 4 over 3 plus 5 over 3, 9 over 3, and this gives me 3. So the numerator in the Pearson coefficient equals 3. That part here. That's a 3. Then here you need to find in the denominator the sum from 1 to 3 of x1 minus x bar squared. So it's x1 minus x bar squared plus x2 minus x bar squared plus x3 minus x bar squared. x1 minus x bar is minus 1 squared plus the second term goes away, plus 0 plus x3 minus x squared plus 1 squared, so it's 1 plus 1 equals 2. And the sum I from 1 to 3, yi minus y bar squared equals y1 minus y bar squared plus y2 minus y bar squared plus y3 minus y bar squared. Let's have a look here. Is 4/3 squared plus 1/3 squared, 1/3 squared plus 5/3 squared. That's 16/9 plus 1/9 plus 25/9. That's 17 plus 25/9. It's 42/9. We can simplify this fraction. That's 14/3. 14/3. Okay. So let's find the denominator now. Xi minus x bar squared. Sum from y equals 1 to 3, yi minus y bar squared. That's 2 times 14/3. That's 28/3. So let's go back here. Is 3 divided by the square root of 28/3. So that's 3 times square root of 3 over the square root of 28. So let's continue. Let's put star here. R equals, where is it? 3 times square root of 3 over the square root of 28. 3 times the square root of 3. Let's calculate the square root of 3. Three times 1.732 divided by the square root of 28. $5.2915. So it's 5.196, the numerator, divided by 529.15. Let's calculate this ratio. Let's find this ratio here. 5.2915. 0.98195. This is the Pearson correlation coefficient. Zero 0.98195. So we have a strong correlation here. We have strong correlation. Now let's go to the Spearman correlation coefficient to see how we can calculate that. A data modeler has given you the difference between the ranks of two variables. The ranks are these values here. You need to calculate the Spearman correlation coefficient. Okay, d1 squared is equal to 4, d2 squared is equal to 1. We square these differences here. d1, d2, d3 squared is equal to 4, d4 squared is equal to 9, d5 squared is equal to 16, d6 squared is equal to 16, d7 squared is equal to 16. We take these differences and we square them. We have 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 16, 16. So let's sum the sum from 1. We have 7 observations. To 7 is di squared, so we need to add them all together. 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. It's 2 times 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3 times 16. That's 8 plus 10 plus 48. 18 plus 48. That's 66. So R equals 1 minus 6 times 66 over 7 times 7 to the power of 2, n is the number of observations, minus 1. 1 minus, the numerator is the following. $396. 7 times 7 squared is 49. 7 times 48. 1 minus 396 divided by the denominator. $396. Let's calculate the ratio. 396 over 336 1.17857. It's minus 0.17857. That's my Spearman correlation coefficient. We have negative correlation in this case.